Alright guys, this is IQ option. An IQ option is one of the best binary broker anyone can use to trade. It's very easy. It's very easy, and this is how the platform looks. This is how the platform looks. And this spot right here, practice account, is your demo account. Why this spot right here is your re account, so we can switch it to demo. You can see let's come to your demo and then switch back to re account to read account, so you can see right there. You can see. So and I will advise, if you really want to learn how to trade an IQ option, you just have to be determined. You just have to set your mind on what you really want. Okay, you just have to set your mind on what you really want. And also, if you want to learn and you need a mentor, you're tired of following so many persons who are saying you need to follow my signal or buy my bot, I will advise you don't do that. I advise you look for who can teach you how to make it possible, how to make it work. Signal will not make you profitable in the long run, because Signal does not teach you how to manage your money, how to protect your capital when you encounter some kind of losses. Following Signal won't help you, or following bots too won't help you. So why not you decide to get this knowledge yourself? Why not you look for who can teach you, who has this knowledge already and is making consistent profit from the market? Because there are so many things to learn from the market. And this IQ option, I have a promo code where you can get $10 risk-free trade. This free trade is not a bonus amount, but the $10 risk-free trade is, example, if you are depositing $13 or $20 in your IQ option account, and I give you my promo code. If you use my link to register, you put in the promo code here, click applied, and then continue to pay the amount you want to pay. That promo code of $10 risk free trade means any amount you are going to use to trade at after you deposit, after you've clicked applied and you deposit, continue and deposit the amount you've been told to deposit. Any amount you use to stake a trade, if the trade goes against you, they will refund back the money. So that's why I advise don't trade on that account until I ask you to, or until you want to follow Signal. And firstly, since it's a $10 risk-free trade, you should use your $10 to trade. And if this $10 risk-free trade goes against you, they will deposit that money back to your trading account. But that's just once. That's just once. It doesn't happen twice. So once you click the $10, the trade goes against you. So the trade goes against you. You you just have to uh, you just wait, and then you will see the money reflect back to your capital. Sorry, back to your trading account. So that's just uh, one thing about IQ option. So the money will be returned back. The money will return back to your IQ option account if you use my promo code. And also, let me tell you about trading. Remember, when you take a look at a particular chart, or when you take a trade, what do you look? Firstly, most people will say indicator. If you don't understand the trade, it's like you're just shooting a shot in the darkness. The market is either going up or down, or moving sideways, up trade, down trade, and sideways. Remember, trade is your friend. The higher high and higher low means up trade, while lower low and lower high means down trade. If price moves in a range, it is a sideways. If price move in a range, it is a sideways. After trade comes, then the market structure. Support is the flow, resistance is selling, is the ceiling. So overtrading, remember, overtrading is very dangerous. It's very dangerous. It can make you blow off your account. Overtrading is greed. And revenge trading is destruction, because it is to make you to enter trade you don't want to enter. And when you finally enter, you'll be like, oh my goodness, how did I get into the trade? I should have waited enough. I should wait for this structure. I should wait for the market. But now you entered it late, or you miss. or you miss the opportunity because you were scared to enter, or because you understand what I'm trying to say. So there are so many reasons that can make you end the loss. If you are trying to revenge because you want your money back because you've lost so much, and because the market does not care about it. Market does not know if you exist. It does not know if you've been having loss. If he, okay, he has to pity you and then say, okay, you've been having loss, so let me just consider you. It does not know you exist, so it can't consider you. So you need to know that news does not move the market. Liquidity does. Indicators follows price. Don't enter when the market is running very fast. Enter when the market pause at a level, and don't trade every day. Rather, learn every day. Stay disciplined, because discipline is the best strategy anyone can teach you. And that's what I'm going to teach you. Because discipline is doing what you decide even when your emotions disagree. So that's one thing you should know. That's one thing you should take note about. And another thing you need to take note about is when you look at the chart, stop asking where should I enter. Instead, ask where will most people enter. That is actually when traps are built. The market moves to area where maximum pain can be created, and that pain becomes profit for smart money, psychology, stability, and gives you the clarity. You know, remember, patience allows precision, and precision creates consistency. Are you trading to build excitement or trading to build skill? And remember, the market reflects who you are. So remember that the market reflects who you are. So, guys, if you really want to learn how to trade, you really ready to learn how to trade, you can send me a message, and I'm going to show you my platform right now. You can see one of my students bought a bike, motorcycle of recent. You can see today he bought a bike. You can see it on my group right now. How happy he was. This is the bike he bought today. This is a bike he bought today, just brand new. So in Nigeria currency, and the amount he used to buy it is a 1.2 million naira for this bike. So guys, we've been making consistent profit daily all the time, consistent profit day by day, every time. We're making profits every time. Profit, 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 profit every day. You can see someone turn $100 to $1,600. You can see all the profit being made. Profits, some withdraw $7,000. You can see all the profit being made, all the profit being made. You can see all the profit being made right there. Withdraw $202. You can see all the profit every day. So much profit, so much profit, so much profit. Guys, what are you still waiting for? You're seeing this result and then you're not taking action, you're not trading, then you're probably wasting time. Yes, I would say that you're probably wasting time because you can't be seeing this much results right here on my on my Telegram right there, and you're telling me you're not trading. You can't be seeing this result and then telling me you're not trading. Are you seeing results? Are you seeing how profitable we've been? Are you seeing how the market is going? Are you seeing how consistent we've been trading day by day? And every day we'll be making profit. You can see every day we'll be making profit. Every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. It has been from profit to profit, from profit to profit. So you guys can see how this is actually going. So I don't know why you sit, watch all what we are doing, and then you are not participating. It's just you can see draw $3,000 and still having $17,000 on his account. Are you guys seeing what is going on right there? Are you guys seeing exactly what is going on right? You can see the profit every day. Profit always being made. Profit always being made. This is evidence. This is evidence. This is evidence. 8,700 as profit from 4,000, use $10,000. The account was 14,000, use 10,000, and now have $23,437. I don't know if anyone is seeing what I'm saying right now. You can see an account 104,000. Are you guys seeing what's going on right there? Are you seeing the 7,000 or took a trade of $20,000, still expecting 70,200, and now the account is 86 around 104. Are you guys seeing what is really going on right there? I don't know if you guys are seeing. I'm tired of showing you guys the profit. It's too much. It's too much. Too massive. It's too massive. I'm tired of showing you guys. It's too massive. Alright, guys. See you guys. And God bless you all.